revving the engine, heaven's ascension, every dimension, give me attention. Look at my soul, look at my heart, look at my hope. Got the world on my back, but I carry it though. Tell them God got my hand, I ain't letting it go.
Hey guys, welcome to another episode of TLG Vlogs. Today we are super excited to showcase what $1.4 million is going to get you on New Jersey's waterfront. We are in Edgewater, Port Imperial, and I'm going to take you for a tour on one of the best townhouse communities available. Follow me. Really what makes these units so special is a couple different things, right? Number one, it's location. You are located right on the waterfront. Your views of New York City, you get from your bedroom level upstairs to your main living level downstairs. Secondly, it's the builder, right? One of the best builders in Edgewater built this whole custom townhouse community. And really what I love, what's so cool about it, what makes it so different, because Edgewater is such a modern, trendy area, is you have this French chateau look on the outside, but this modern, open concept feel on the inside. So we're standing in the kitchen right now, custom cabinetry, custom cabinets, high-end appliances. Very, very excited to show you the rest of this unit. Follow me upstairs. All right, before we go upstairs, I'm gonna show you actually one of my favorite shots about this entire place. It's not even the view. It's this like super cool dimensional skylight that they added. It almost feels like you're in like Mykonos, Greece, and you're gonna like walk outside and get this like crazy terrace. Love it. Watch, go upstairs. All right, as we make our way up to the second floor, some specs about the unit. We have 3 bedrooms, we have flex space, which could be used as office space. We have 2 full bathrooms on this level. We have a powder room on the first level, a full finished ground level, and an attached 1-car garage. Follow me into the master. If you're looking for hassle-free living, luxury living, this is definitely the place to be. We're gonna go start in the master bedroom. It is incredibly spacious. You have a centerpiece fireplace right here, but really what makes this, right, with the whole community feel of living here is the view, right? You have this private terrace right off your master bedroom. Every morning, open this up, look outside, and you have views of nothing but waterfront in New York City. Thank you so much for touring with us today and tuning into another episode of TLG Vlogs. Special shout out to my buddy David Arabia on this beautiful listing and letting us tour today. And if you guys are looking for more information, follow us on our YouTube channel, reach out on any of our social media platforms, and I'll see you next week. Rafi, take them outside. Bye.